Welcome back to Handy News Finance. In this video you will learn how to attract wealth. Being wealthy is important because financial stability helps you relax and enjoy life. One of the ways to have wealth is having a great job and earning money, but it's not the only way. Another way is having a mindset that brings abundance into your life. By following these steps, you can attract wealth and live a financially secure life. Step number 1 is having a specific mindset. You must change it from one of want and need to one of openness and possibility. Wealth and prosperity are a state of mind, so remember to train the subconscious and feed it by positive thoughts. Definitely stay away from negative messages and negative people. Step number 2. Remember to take action and create new possibilities for wealth. Write down the specific goals you have and ask yourself what kind of wealth you want to attract into your life. Keep that plan in mind every single day. The wealth comes in many forms, so for example, it can be financial, but also romantic. Be specific and write down the kind of wealth you are going to achieve. Step number 3. The opportunities are everywhere, so be aware of them. You can always attract more abundance into your life, so be open to new ideas or suggestions. New kinds of work or wealth-creating ideas. See the new opportunities and take advantage of them. Say yes to them because it's a way to become more attractive to wealth. Step number 4 is being grateful. Have gratitude because it's a really powerful way to attract wealth into your life. Make a list every morning of, let's say, 5 things you are grateful for. Probably you will add much more things because the more you practice gratitude, the more things you will appreciate around you. It's very important to be grateful for what you already have now, today. Some people feel the lack of wealth because they are not aware of what they already have. Have an attitude of gratitude because it's a required puzzle which will help you understand how to attract wealth. Step number 5 is making a timeline for your wealth attraction plan. Write down your goals of how much money you would like to make in 4 months and 8 months. Be very specific. Now include the gratitude attitude into that. For example, write, "Thank you for the $1 million I am going to make by the end of July this year." Be aware that wealth is entering your life every single day. Also, it's important to be around positive people that boost your energy instead of robbing you of it. Be ready to stop contacting with people or things that are dragging you down. For example, negative message in the media and negative thinking people usually create fearful thinking which you don't need. Stay away from that. Keep positive thinking. This is a very important part in the process of attracting wealth into your life. Remember to reduce expenses. Don't waste money and buy only the things which you really need. Immerse yourself in the idea of being a wealthy person. And in the meantime, read about wealth and remember to watch videos like this, because here on this YouTube channel, Handy News Finance, you can get knowledge and inspirations that will help you attract wealth into your life. In the description below you can find the links to top books and bonuses resources that can be very useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.